What I'm going to do today is take a look at my leafcutter and mason bees, and for those of you that don't know what they do, lots of pollination, much better than a honeybee for the garden, so that's why I'm trying to lure them in. I did put up a house last year, but unfortunately no residents have checked in there yet, and I think that's probably because I didn't take and put any paper tubes inside my slats. If I take a little wander outside, you can definitely tell the weather is not looking like spring weather right now. I think this is the last storm of the year. Here's my little bee house, and the slats I have just sliding right in there. I designed this thing myself with the 3D printer at home and printed them off. So the good part about that is I can just make these slats anytime I like. So I'm going to take these things inside, and first thing I do is just pluck the tape off of these units and pop them off, and I'll give them a good little cleaning. There's a little bit of moisture and dirt and crap inside. Got lucky, instead of buying the mason and the leafcutter paper tubes, I found these straws on Amazon. The one is a 6mm for the leafcutter, and the 8mm is for the mason bee. Now, with any kind of luck, this straw is going to fit right inside. And I got lucky today, it does. It's a perfect fit. Try the same thing for the leaf cutter slat, and I'm not quite as lucky there. It looks like it's about 1 millimeter off in diameter. The good news about that is I did design these slats myself with the 3D printer, so I'll just change the diameter of the holes and we will print another one of them off and we'll put them together. So I don't want the tubes to protrude at all, so I'm just going to take and mark them up and cut them down, and then we'll put the tubes back together. Here you can see what it looks like. If I tried to force the larger tubes in there, it just doesn't work well, so that's going to be a no-go for sure. Once all the tubes are trimmed off, it actually fit back together really nicely. So I'm just going to put some tape over top of there yet, and we will call that good. Now, what the exact numbers are for pollination, I've got no idea. But I do know that the mason bee and leafcutter bee, they're native to North America, and they do much better pollination than a honeybee. So if you do have a garden, there's a lot of different bee houses that you can get. Posting one of them or putting one up somewhere beside your garden is going to greatly impact or benefit your garden. I'm trying it out for myself, and once these slats are up, we will find out and see how it goes. And we'll let you guys know how my bee experiment works this year with a paper tube, see if something moves in. Until then, see you next time.